Are you a fashion designer? Do you fear fumbling through the production process? Do you crave help navigating the manufacturing minefield? Or do you long for clear, affordable production solutions with peace of mind? If so, I can help you. My name is Chinedu Hargram, and I am the founder of the fashion business services brand called Compago. Compago was created to help connect fashion designers like you with manufacturing and production solutions. My personal experience, having started a fashion label, as well as having worked as a production manager at a fashion studio, has helped place me in the unique position to spot the need to help new designers with the production process, as well as more experienced and established designers and labels save time and resources. So, what's in it for you? Well, I understand you creatives. But by having a grasp of your brand's identity, I can better help connect you with the right manufacturing solutions and the crucial key steps required along the production path. So, whether you're looking for a more of an all-inclusive production package, just production, or just sourcing of fabric and trims, or even consultancy, whether you're into women's wear, men's wear, kids wear, pet wear, sportswear, streetwear, or even homeware and accessories, we've got you covered. And the beauty is that our solutions bring you peace of mind and free you up to focus on what you love doing the most, which is being creative. So please just get in touch so we can better understand your requirements and your goals and visions and how we can help support that. Also, please feel free to contact and connect with us on Facebook, Instagram, as well as Twitter for our takes on the fashion industry as general. And of course, feel free to like, share, and follow us on these mediums. Well, thank you very much for your time, and we sincerely look forward to connecting your fashion creativity.